Revolut streamlines personal finance management and investment for individuals. Let's begin by exploring logging in. We're on the website. Click the Sign Up button. Enter your phone number. Click the Continue button. An error occurred. Click Got it. Enter your passcode. Submit the passcode. Confirm the login on your app. Wait for the account to load. Click Allow all cookies. Click Explore. You're on your dashboard. Moving forward, let's see how adding a note is done. Click to add a note. Enter your note in the text area. Save your note. The note is now added. View updated transaction details. Coming up next, we'll dive into Add Money, bank transfer. Specify an amount and choose a payment method. Next, select Regular bank transfer. Then copy the bank details to complete the transfer. Moving forward, let's see how switching accounts is done. On the dashboard, select the currency option. Next, choose your preferred account. Then, view your US dollar balance and transactions. Next up, let's take a closer look at downloading a statement. On the home screen, click the Statement button. Next, click the Statement button again on the account view. Then, choose the file format and date range. After that, pick a starting date. Moving on, wait for the statement to generate. Finally, click the download link. Coming up next, we'll dive into freezing a card. Click to freeze your card. Next, see your card is frozen with an unfreeze option. Coming up next, we'll dive into unblocking PIN. Select Unblock CVV. Next, confirm to get more attempts. Finally, see confirmation of unblocked PIN and CVV. Moving forward, let's see how terminating a card is done. On the home screen, click Settings. Next, click Terminate Card. Then, confirm termination. After that, note the success notification. Finally, return to the home screen. Next up, let's take a closer look at searching for assets. On the main Invest page, search for the company. Then select Apple from the search results. Next, view detailed stock information for Apple. Next up, let's take a closer look at Overview. View Apple's stock stats and chart. Next, see financials with price targets. Then, toggle to percentage changes. After that, review the 1-month price chart for deeper analysis. Moving forward, let's see how asset article detail is done. Explore Apple's stock details. Next, read about shareholders and diversity. After that, finish the article and return to stock details. In the next section, we'll explore how buying an asset, limit order, works. We are on the Apple stock detail page. Click the plus Buy button. Next, on the Buy AAPL screen, open the order type drop-down. Then, select Limit Order. After that, set your limit price. Moving on, click Continue. Set the expiry date next. Then enter the number of shares. After that, click Buy AAPL. Review your order details. Finally, submit your order and see the confirmation modal. The next feature we'll cover is canceling an order. On the Apple stock page, select the order. Next, click the Cancel button. Then confirm cancellation in the modal. After that, the order is successfully canceled. Right next, let's check out selling an asset. View Apple stock details and click Sell. Next, switch input from shares to USD. Then, enter a USD amount. After that, click Sell. Moving on, review order confirmation and hit Submit. Then, confirm success and close. Finally, return to the Apple stock details with Orders view. In the next section, we'll explore how Hub works. On the home screen, click the Hub button. Next, select the Cards option. Finally, view and manage your virtual cards. Next up, let's take a closer look at searching help. Click the search field. Next, select the exchange rate article. Then the article content loads. Finally, read the exchange rate article to resolve your query. Up next, let's discover how changing language works. Open the language setting. Next, pick your preferred language. Then, see the settings translated into Bulgarian. Right next, let's check out Report a Fraud. Select Report Fraud from Profile Settings. Next, choose I don't recognize a payment. Then, click View Transactions to locate the payment. Finally, an error appears. Try again or seek assistance. Coming up next, we'll dive into securing an account. Access your profile settings and choose the Lost Device option. Next, view the steps to secure your account and click Get Started. Then, expand Log Out Devices to select which to disconnect. After that, confirm your device selections. Moving on, scan the QR code for identity verification. Wait while verification completes. Next, create a new passcode. Then, confirm your new passcode. Finally, review your active sessions on the device management screen. Right next, let's check out Manage Device. Access Profile Settings, click Manage Devices. Then select the Apple iPhone 14 Pro. After that, review device details and decide next steps. Right next, let's check out Passkeys. Select Passkeys in Security Settings. Then add a new passkey on the empty screen. In the next section, we'll explore how updating privacy settings works. Access your profile settings and choose Privacy. Next, disable personalized emails. Then, confirm both personalized emails and marketing pushes are off. Now let's explore the next topic, About Us. Click About Us to view company resources. Choose a link to explore further. Coming up next, we'll dive into Logging Out. Click Log Out in Profile Settings. Next, choose your login method on the login page. Coming up next, we'll dive into Logging Out inactive. First, access your profile from the home screen. Then you're logged out due to inactivity. Up next, let's discover how selecting a region works. We're on the website. Click the country selector. Next, choose another country. Then enter your search. After that, select a country. Finally, see the updated homepage. Following this, we'll move on to Savings Account. We're on the website. Click Personal. Next, choose Savings Account. Then, click the Start Saving button. After that, see the interest rate details. Moving on, review the security features. Next, learn how to add funds. Finally, explore automatic savings options. The next feature we'll cover is cards. We're on the website. The button says Get My Card. Next, the button says Pick a Plan. Then, see Security Features. Scroll down for more. Moving forward, let's see how international transfers is done. We're on the website. Click the International Transfers link. Next, view the currency conversion calculator. Then, see the section on low fees. After that, explore supported countries in the Americas. Moving on, check more regions like Asia Pacific and Africa. Finally, review methods for sending money abroad. Following this, we'll move on to payments. We're on the website. Click Payments. Next, explore the Payments page. Then, discover Group Payments. After that, see the Sending Gifts feature. Now, let's explore the next topic, Stocks, Marketing. We're on the website. Click Start Investing. Then, explore Analytics and News. Click Start Your Journey. In the next section, we'll explore how Help Article Detail works. We're on the website. Click Open a Revolut Under 18 account. Next, scroll to explore account setup steps. Then, review rules for children and sign-in instructions. Next up, let's take a closer look at Revolut Business. We're on the website. Click the business link. Next, see various options. Click Discover Revolut Business. Then scroll to explore the landing page. After that, review the all-in-one account features. Moving on, see companies using Revolut. Then check key business metrics. Next, read a customer testimonial. Then, explore pricing plans. Finally, view the FAQs section. The next feature we'll cover is integrations. We're on the website. Click the integrations link. Next, click the Get Started button. Then pick the HR and People category. After that, scroll to view more tools. Moving on, check the testimonial. Finally, explore calls to action or read the FAQ section. After this, let's walk through business account pricing. We're on the website. Click the Get Started button. Next, see the available plans. Then scroll to compare features. Finally, view testimonials and FAQs. Following this, we'll move on to contacting sales. We're on the website. Click Contact Sales. Enter your email. Correct the email error. Click Send Contact Request. Thank you. Check out FAQs. After this, let's walk through About Us Marketing. We're on the website. Click the company link. Next, select the About Us link. Then scroll down to see our mission. After that, explore why we work every day. Moving on, check out our achievements timeline. Finally, meet our board of directors. Up next, let's discover how watching a video works. Click the play button to watch the video. The video is now playing. Next up, let's take a closer look at searching for a job. We're on the website. Enter your keyword. Next, see filtered job openings. Up next, let's discover how job detail works. First, we're searching for design roles. Next, view the product designer job details. Finally, review compensation and click Apply for this role. After this, let's walk through program detail. Explore company programs, internships, graduates, and grants. Next, we're on the website. The button says View Openings. Then, see internship details. After that, view past interns and explore testimonials. Moving on, discover internship benefits. Next, see the teams you'll meet. Finally, review the application timeline and click Apply Now. The next feature we'll cover is news article detail. Start by selecting a news article. Next, view the article's headline and image. Then, scroll to the article's main content and sharing links. After that, explore related articles. The next feature we'll cover is affiliates. On the website, click the Affiliates link. Next, find the Revolut Business Affiliates button. Then, check the FAQ section for sign-up details. Finally, scroll up to sign up. Up next, let's discover how Annual Report works. We're on the website. Click the Annual Report link. Next, see the 2023 Annual Report page. Scroll down to view key growth metrics. Then, check out the revenue growth chart. After that, notice the security of customer funds. Moving on, see company awards and a message from the founders. Finally, preview the full report and click Download Now. Right next, let's check out giving feedback. We're on the documentation page. Next, enter feedback. Then, click Submit. After that, see confirmation. Up next, let's discover how switching to dark mode works. Switch to dark mode for easier viewing. Up next, let's discover how website terms works. On the website, click the Website Terms link. Next, scroll down the Website Terms page. Then review the Legal Bits and Pieces section. In the next section, we'll explore how 404 works. Click the Visit the Homepage button. Right next, let's check out Revolut for 118. Visit the Revolut homepage. Next, explore the Revolut 18 section. Then scroll through the landing page. After that, review payment features. Moving on, check out personalization options. Finally, learn how Revolut 18 works and click Get Started to begin. Revolut simplifies financial management for users and businesses globally.